Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you all. Today in the subject science for the grade 6 we are going to continue our lesson from the chapter 6, that is conserving our resources, and from this chapter we are studying the first lesson of this chapter, that is the minerals and rocks. From the page 321 we are going to continue our lesson. For the today's lesson we are going to see that what are the learning objective in the today's lesson. So let's open the page 321 and see the learning objectives of the today's lesson. That we are going to see about what is metamorphic rock and how does these rocks are formed. Also we are going to see the different types of metamorphic rocks, or we can see that the process of metamorphism. So here we will be going to start with the metamorphic rock. Here we can see the magma, heat from the magma, and here the formation of the metamorphic rock we can see here. In this picture you can see the formation of the metamorphic rock. Particularly when we talk about the metamorphic rock, how they are formed, these rocks that has been changed and formed by heat, pressure or a chemical reaction, and hence these rocks are called as the metamorphic rock. The word metamorphic means the changed, that is, the metamorphic rock begins as the igneous rock, sedimentary rock, or even other metamorphic rocks. So this is the metamorphic rock. They are formed by the changed, and they are being formed by heat, pressure or chemical reaction. So this is the metamorphic rock. The process of metamorphism. Metamorphism is the process by which pre-existing rocks, means the rocks which are already existing, so pre-existing rocks are transformed or altered in the solid state under the relatively high pressure, temperature and or heat circulating fluids. The effects of metamorphism are the formation of new minerals, changes in shape and size of the mineral grains, and the development of new structures in the rock. So you can see here the increasing the metamorphism, this from the limestone to the marble, and also we can see here the basalt, the different kinds of rocks. We can see here the greenstone and the these are the different rocks we can see here. The process of metamorphism are of basically two types. There are two different types of metamorphism. One is the regional metamorphism and other is the contact metamorphism. We can also say that the local metamorphism. So here the regional metamorphism, as the heat plus pressure gives you regional metamorphism. Here you can see here, and here the another, that is the heat is giving you directly the contact metamorphism here. So this is the things what you are observing from this figure. Now here what the regional metamorphism, how does it works? Just now I have been given you the example of the regional metamorphism where the pressure is being increased. So what is happening when the pressure is increased? Also here the increasing temperature and the pressure. So here the increasing metamorphic grades, that is the first grade, that is the low grade metamorphic rock, which is here, that is shale, then slate, then schist and gneiss, and here also we can see that the high grade metamorphic rock is formed with the magmatite. So these are the different rocks which are being formed in this process of metamorphism. So here this is one of the kind of process where we can say that regional metamorphism. The another, that is the contact metamorphism, is caused by the contact with the extreme heat. When there is heat, as I have shown you here in this diagram, that this is because of the heat. When this is contact metamorphism is happening, it is because of the extreme heat, and you will find such kind of rocks are being formed with the process of metamorphism. So here it is caused by the contact with the extreme heat and magma or lava or the hot fluids that will alter the rock. So no foliation is found here. You can see that the magma chamber is here, and these rocks are formed here above this magma chamber. So contact metamorphism is the process where you are finding that such kind of rocks are formed here. So now here the different types of metamorphic rocks we can see here, the different shapes and pictures for this marble, as we are all aware about this kind of rock. Also we are aware about the quartzite, also the slate rock. Here you can see the slate rock. This chest rock and gneiss rock, we can see here the different such kind of different metamorphic rocks you can find it here. Also you here in the today's discussion we are going to end up with the metamorphic rock and the different processes of the metamorphic rock. So these are the different metamorphic rocks which we can see here. So with this I am going to conclude the today's lesson, and I will be back with the new video for the further part of the lesson. Till then, thank you and goodbye.